Are you ready to embrace a hair transformation that will leave you feeling renewed and empowered? As we step into 2025, it's time to say goodbye to those uninspiring hairstyles and hello to an array of chic, bold cuts that will change your vibe. The beauty of this year's trends lies in their versatility, catering to every style preference, whether you're seeking something edgy, sophisticated, or effortlessly low maintenance. Let's kick things off with the return of the modern shag. This cut is a celebration of layers and bounce, adding vital texture to flat hair or giving curls that coveted wild rock star appeal. The modern shag is not just a haircut. It's a statement of individuality, perfect for anyone wanting to showcase their cool, laid-back personality while making a splash. With this style, you'll feel the freedom to express yourself fully, making it a top choice for a fresh start this year. For those who prefer a sleek look, the blunt bob with curtain bangs is making waves. This sharp, structured cut exudes confidence and sophistication, allowing you to turn heads effortlessly. The blunt edges create a powerful silhouette, while curtain bangs soften the overall look, making it feel modern yet timeless. Whether sporting it straight or with subtle waves, this haircut is a surefire way to elevate your appearance without needing an extravagant routine. If convenience is your mantra, the textured lob is the cut you should consider. This style continues to captivate with its effortless charm and adaptability. Suited for nearly every face shape, the textured lob is incredibly easy to style, making it perfect for those bustling, busy mornings where you need to look polished in no time. By opting for this look, you maintain high style without the commitment to extensive maintenance. For the adventurous souls yearning to push boundaries, consider the Pixie with Undercut. This bold, empowering choice is not for the faint-hearted. Its clean lines and edgy vibe demand attention while offering a sense of liberation that few styles can deliver. It's a haircut that whispers confidence and makes a daring statement, encouraging you to embrace every facet of your personality. Lastly, let's not forget the allure of hair colors that enhance your new cut. Soft caramel, daring copper, and natural balayage are phenomenal options that can complement your transformation beautifully. A claw clip or a silk scarf can serve as the perfect finishing touch, adding that extra flair to your look. So, which hairstyle are you excited to try first? Share your favorites in the comments below.
Stay fit. Stay strong. See you in the next video.